We now want to go to Caroline Vandergriff in Parker County. Caroline, you were in the severe storm. What do you have for us now?
Well, you've been talking so much about the power of those 70-mile-per-hour winds, and we are looking at what exactly those winds can do. Just ahead of us, you can see we are at I-20 near Highway 312. That is a semi-truck. The report that the wind actually knocked it over onto its side, so it is blocking traffic up there, and you can see that semi is just lying right there on its side. Now, on our way to get here, we passed through Weatherford going east on 180, and it was really just a trail of damage. We saw sheet metal roofing, we saw ripped awnings, tree branches down. I saw a speed limit sign flattened right on the road. And, you know, the dangerous trampolines you guys mentioned, we saw one of those up halfway in a tree as well. So really, it was just kind of a tour of what this line of storms did as it moved across this area and the damage. Right now, obviously, you can see that semi-truck still on its side, blocking traffic going west on I-20 at this point. So that is really what we're dealing with right now, is just seeing a lot of the effects of that really strong wind, and I'm sure as we make our way back closer to the Metroplex, there's going to be even more examples of it. Of course, trash cans, things like that, all just completely knocked down and into the road, and as you mentioned, can be very dangerous if they hit someone.
Yeah, we're going to go right from you, Caroline, to Andrea, Lucia, and Denton. Andrea, what I'm hearing from you is possibly some power flashes there?
Yeah, a little bit of a scare here. We were driving and saw sparks flying off some of the power lines that extend across the highway here. It halted traffic, to be honest. We weren't sure what was going on, but it was very clear flashes coming off of those power lines. And so we were proceeding cautiously, and we passed where that was going on. But it definitely was a scare. I hadn't seen that before.
Okay, appreciate that so much, Andrea. We're grateful that you are remaining safe. If you see anything else, come back to you.